Hi traders, this is Forex Nelson, and I'm back doing another trade for July the 3rd after the long weekend for Canada Day. It was the Aussie news. I can show you the Aussie news here at 9:30. The one that will move the market the most will be the retail sales, and it's green, and the other one, trade balance, is red, but this one is the stronger one. And so we're going to be buying the Aussie. So in advance, 2 minutes before the news, I took the trade right here, actually 1 minute before I took the trade, and the pip trigger was telling me to sell both on the Euro Aussie and the Pound Aussie, telling me to sell. And I'm going to do a training video on it as soon as I'm done with this trade. So I did both the Euro Aussie and the Pound Aussie, and I was getting indications that the trade was going to be going down, so I took the trade a minute before. I'm up over $3,000 at the moment, as you can see within here. And once you master this trading and you can get to standard lots, and especially if you can do more than one pair and you know which way it's going to go, you just take the trade. You only need 1 or 2 trades a week. I don't do a lot of trading, but if I can catch some news trades like this, then I can take a few days off, and that's the whole idea of getting into trading, so that you can take some time off and do other things other than just trading. Now I'm just going to manage this trade. If I see things like hammers, a little bit of blue coming in or whatever, or when I get a total, I'll just close the trade. It's around 9:40 in the evening, roughly 10 minutes into the trade. So it's just trade management now. And we're starting to get pin bars and whatnot, and due to the fact that the news was both red and green, it may not go a lot, so I am concerned about that. And as I said, if it continues to go down and breaks this bottom, I'll stay in the trade longer, but if it stalls out on both of these right here for a while, I'll just close the trade and wrap it up until tomorrow. So anyhow, I'll report back shortly as I wrap up this trade. Forex Nelson is back. I decided to close the trade. As you can see in the totals down here, I'm starting to see wicks and reversal. Now it can keep going down, but I'm very happy. I got in right here where this little cursor is, 20 pip stop, and I ended up with 39 pips on that one, roughly 40 pips, and on this one giving me 32 pips. So over 60 pips on each total, giving a total of over $3,100 for 15 minutes work. So once you learn how to trade, you can do exactly the same thing, as you can see in here, without going into too much explanation. But the pip trigger was giving lots of signals down here, and the price was below the gold line. And I do a lot of training videos within the pip trigger package. I teach exactly how to do this. And if you want to know more about the pip trigger, all you got to do is look below this video, and in the description, and you'll see everything that comes with the pip trigger package. If you want to get in touch with me, I'd be more than happy to answer all your questions and give you some free tips and tricks. I prefer to do this through Skype and screen sharing. And I just want to let you know also, for you traders who have full-time day jobs, that's not a problem. You can have a full-time, anytime job, you know, depending on, let's say you work 9 to 5, you can come home and the market moves during the Asian session between 7 and 9. Tonight I caught the Aussie news at 9:30, but between 8 and 9, market picks a direction. You know, for about an hour's worth of trading, you can make some pretty good pips. So don't let anybody tell you that you cannot trade the Asian session. I can do it, and once you learn how to do it, you can do it. The Asian session's a little bit on the slow side, but what's wrong with 20 or 30 pips? There's nothing wrong with that. Now, on the other hand, the London session around 3 in the morning, that will produce the most. Have traders that get up a couple hours before they go to work and they trade the London session. Couple hours, get in and grab 20, 30 pips or more before they go to work. And then, of course, I prefer the New York session between 7 and 11. It's prime time, and there's always lots of movement, lots of pips to be made in the New York session. So anyhow, I'm going to wrap up this video. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And until the next trade, happy trading.